Hi, I'm Craig Jones with Performance DIY and Rosa.
Hi.
We're here to show you the Poly 300. The Poly 300 is a very unique product in that it is 100% solid, UV stable, high abrasion resistant top coat. Can be used for indoor or outdoor. This is our Cadillac top coat system. So it comes in a kit. This happens to be a 1 gallon kit. And so you just pop the tab. And open the bucket up. And all the contents you need, the Poly 300, are inside here. Inside this kit, packaged part B. We part A. Yeah, and a mixing set. So what you do with this is you just simply open up part A, part B, pour it into the outer bucket here, and mix it for 3 minutes. You have over an hour to use it. And this is a really fantastic product for any top coat, interior or exterior.
Now I have a question. Can you apply this amazing product to a garage that is already done? And what will add to that?
Oh yeah. Yeah, so if your current floor is bonding good and clean, all you do is sand it with a 100 grit sandpaper and you can apply this right over.
It is as simple as that, and it's a great final coat. Why?
Yeah. Okay, so as far as there's a variety of different coating systems, but if you want the world's best top coat, you need a 100% solid polyaspartate, UV stable performance Poly 300. And the reason you do is it's very scratch resistant. What makes and UV stable, because when you apply a coating and it starts ambering over time, like epoxies will, if the sunlight, UV sunlight and certain type of lighting will amber it, it starts looking old and dingy. This will maintain its gloss level because it's so scratch resistant, and it will also be very UV stable, so it won't yellow, so it looks nice and clear. Can you imagine if you had a car, a brand new car, and you're driving around it 2 years later, it didn't have a UV stable coating on it, it would all look amber. So that's why we recommend the Poly 300 as your premium Cadillac top coat. And so we also recommend you buying, if you're just doing 1 coat of polyaspartate 300, Poly 300, we recommend a small toolkit. And the toolkit includes all the sundry items that you're gonna need to install it. You're gonna have your squeegee, which is right here. And then you just put a roller pole on it and squeegee. You have your mixing wand. You have your roller cover. Another mixing stick, a brush, and your rubber gloves. Everything's, and so all you need, you only need 4 things, technically 3 things for a top coat, is you need a drill so that you can mix it with a drill. You need a roller assembly, a 9-inch roller assembly, and a roller pole. And if you were going direct to concrete with this product, you would want a pump sprayer for the clean and prep solution.
Something that you can also find on our website are the spike shoes.
Yeah, the spike shoes. Very good idea, because it makes it easy to be able to walk through the coating, and these spike shoes are really fantastic. So we recommend you using spike shoes when you're applying a floor coating. And so you can purchase that. The spike shoes are included in the medium toolkit, by the way. So you could buy the medium toolkit if you want with the spike shoes, or just buy the spike shoes separately. That's about everything. And we appreciate you taking the time and visiting Performance DIY. Check out our awesome line of products. We have so many great products, and a lot of them are the certified products, have a transferable lifetime warranty. Thank you so much. On behalf of Craig Jones and Rosa, we'll see you soon.